You know how I always say that I'm not Nostradamus and I don't try to predict stocks and all that kind of thing? Well, yesterday I am Nostradamus. I picked this stock. Luckily, look, I don't know whether the stock's going down or anything else. I play probabilities, so I don't try to guess. So everybody that comments and tells me that MicroStrategy is going to go to 500 because it's listed on the QQQ or Bitcoin's going to crash, look, I don't care what you say. You guys are all noise. But what I do care about is probabilities. And so yesterday, at about when the stock was around here, 430, I was telling you that I'm not rolling my position up. Why? Because if I roll my position up, I lose all that in the money amount as cushion. Okay? And sure enough, as soon as I shut off the recording and we produced the video and sent it out to you guys, the stock dropped from what this looks like the high of 437, which was not when I made it. It was like 429 or 430, and it dropped all the way down to here, right, which is like 406, and then it closed, at 410 or something like that. This morning it went all the way down to 394. Now I have the 400 contracts, right? I have the 400 shorts. So let me show you. So take a look here. You're seeing that I have these 400s that are short. Now, the juice has gone up to the highest spot because they're at the money right now. So I've still got to wait for $1,370 worth of juice to come to me because it's not, it's right around 400. The stock is what, at 402 right now. It's going all over the place, right? So I'm just kind of chilling, right? And I'm just waiting for Friday. And Friday comes, that 13 is going to go to 12 and 11 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, blast off, right? And I'm going to collect all that juice unless I decide to roll it earlier, which right now I can't because it's it's a lot of juice to buy back, right? That's like 7 times 1,300. That sounds like about $9,000, something like that to buy that. Why would I spend $9,000 when all I got to do is wait 3 days? If I wait 3 days, I get the $9,000. Now, the risk is it goes under 400, but so what? Like I've got the 250s that go out to June. Are you getting this, right? I don't care about what happens this week because I'm just in this for collecting that juice. And I get a couple of people that are like, could you stop saying juice? I like the fact that it's called juice. Is that a better word than extrinsic value? Oh, sounds like a bunch of lawyers are writing all these words. I like juice because juice is a fun word. So I'm not going to stop saying it until all you guys understand that that's why we're trading this. If everybody that watches my videos goes, I get it now, I understand it's all about the juice, then I'm going to go, well, I guess I'll start calling it extrinsic and be really proper. All right? But I'm not going to be proper for now because right now you're seeing that stock go from 430 all the way to 400. Now it's at 402. And right now, it's going to cost me a bunch of money to buy that juice back. Now, if you remember, right, I got $31.37 per contract when I sold it last week, okay? Well, this is a lot better than that. Look at the P&L open. It's $10,000 that's already come to me. I think I was expecting like $20-something thousand to come to me this week. So I'm just going to wait. Now, if this thing starts to go up and it's at 430 by Thursday or Friday, I might just take the early roll and move it out. And a lot of you are asking me, well, what happens if you get exercised? Look, I'm not going to get exercised, guys. I mean, maybe I will, but it's such a rare thing to get exercised. If you are of the old mindset of trading covered calls, you think I'm going to get exercised. You're like, oh, it's above your strike price. You're going to get exercised. It just doesn't happen. This stock doesn't pay a dividend, which does increase your exercise, the chances of exercise. This stock, if they wanted to buy the stock from me, they wouldn't have bought the calls and paid me all the juice, right? I think we're missing that. Like, why would you exercise the stock when you could just go control it with the calls? And that's what we're in this for. So it's like you're mixing, whoever's not getting this is mixing that up. So I'm just trying to show you. This is where the stock is right now. It's 949. It's at 402. Thankfully, I didn't roll up yesterday. Rolling up in a red market is a tough thing to do. Now, I'm probably going to roll up my Teslas later because that thing just keeps taking off. And I got no juice. Let me just show you, and this is the MicroStrategy video, but I'll just show you this Tesla position. Look at how much juice is left in that, 71 cents per share. That's, $71 a contract or whatever it is, right? So if I were to buy that back, yeah, I've already made, look at all the juice I made on this. I got $24.35 when I sold it. Maybe I think it was out of the money when I sold it, but if not, it was some in the money amount. I actually think I got like $9 or $10 worth of juice because it was in the money, but now it's only worth 75 cents, right? So I'm going to roll that one, but I wouldn't roll this one with all that money left in there. I'm just going to wait for that to come to me because time is going to make that come to me. Time is my delivery man, right? That comes to me now no matter what. I don't care if the stock goes down, it goes up, goes sideways. I'm getting that, all that $14 that you see on the screen by the arrow there, I'm getting now that on Friday. I hope you're starting to get this. This is a weird, new, funky way of thinking. And there's a lot of things that you do after you do the trade. And that's why I'm just doing a little quick snippet every day. Not every day, but every other day or so, whatever. Just to kind of give you, hey, look, there's something weird going on. This is what I'm thinking. This is why I'm not doing anything. On the 400 MicroStrategy call, I was Nostradamus. I got lucky, right? But I don't try to be Nostradamus. I don't try to pick the stocks and where they're going and all that kind of stuff, because I have no idea, and neither do you. So don't act like you know where MicroStrategy is going, because you don't. And neither does Michael Saylor, frankly. Hi, Mark Yegi here. Ready to transform your financial future? Well, I'm inviting you to my special live income accelerator. It's your ultimate 4-week live training designed to supercharge your income. This live training runs 4 Wednesdays in a row starting on January 15th. Not only will you get actionable strategies for how to create income using covered calls, but you'll also receive my fast launch trading course and exclusive mentorship from me throughout the 4 weeks. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, this training is designed to fit your needs. And because I like to keep my groups small, you'll get personalized attention. Join today to secure our early bird pricing for just $19.97. It's normally $39.97. And grab some extra bonuses before the class even starts. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Your financial future is just a click away. See you in the Income Accelerator. Visit the link to join now. Hey, it's Mark Yegi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now. It helps get the same kind of material out to other people and helps me grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would like the video, if you think it's cool, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, but tell me why you're giving me a thumbs down so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell, and that way you get the videos as soon as they come out, because I give you timely information a lot of the time, and you want to know what happens before that information gets stale. Thanks for being here.